Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're just going to use the conditional formatting to search for specific data. We're probably going to include the search feature. Let's take a look. Over here is a long list of, looks like produce, huh? Our goal here, and forget about search for a second. Our goal is highlight everything that starts with, and again, F9 is the optional choice. You can go in here and ST should be changing. ST will stay constant. The produce will change. A couple things here. We got VG, which is sort of a screw up here. That should probably say produce or what have you. Produce. All we're looking for is anything that starts with ST. Here you go. You got strawberries. Hit F9, and that's all we're doing. Is we're just looking for anything with ST. You can change this at will. Over here, you're going to see the write-up. And I'm just going to tell you what the write-up is. We can look up using what? Search. Can we use find? No. Why? Well, you can. We're looking for, in terms of case sensitivity, there are two methods of doing this. We have the search feature and we have the find. Search is not case sensitive. Find is case sensitive. So if you're concerned about this ST, you have different looking entries. Use find, all right? All we're doing is using the search feature. Locates the position of text within a cell, not case sensitive. Now you're going to see that the one essentially says we found something. The thing about search is that it will pick up partial. So it's just picking up any part of the entry. D4, which is this set number, and then B6. Hey, B6, you start with ST. What it does is it looks for text, and then within the text, search within B6. Now the question is, what if ST, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to get rid of that randomness, and I'm just going to enter ST. You can see there's an ST in here. So the question is, why isn't it showing up? It's because it just picks up the first two letters. How do we fix that? We can use wildcards. Let's dive in. All right, conditional formatting. You guys know by now how to do this. All we're going to do, we can hit conditional formatting here and then hit manage rules. Here we have edit rules. And let's see here, B6. And I don't think we can do the B6, D4. The question is, we probably have to hard code this in order to include the wildcard. We're not going to go down that road. So you can see that all we're doing is looking for the first part of ST, close. Go in here, change this, ST. So no, and then hit ST in here, ST. And you can see, and we're going to get into entering the wildcard at a later. We have probably 16 more conditional format examples. And I think there's one in there where we can insert the wildcards. Otherwise, this kind of would be a waste of time. This would be limited. The find function, similar to case, we could change this, but we're not going to. That's just a quick way to use the conditional formatting, but it has limitations. Be careful about what your intent is. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.